Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators and this is today's market update for August 11, 2020. If you look at the SBY daily chart, like you watched the video yesterday, so I know the market hit to the sell zone. So either they will stop here and pull it back down to gain some momentum and before they can get higher. So this is a first day we see that a lot of people sell here, but right now they still hold up above the moving average here. So technically, it's yet a correction. So we don't see any major change yet. So the market it go up, they pull back down, they go up, they pull back down. So this is the same thing after the run up from March to here. So they are getting a little bit tired. So they probably have to pull back down a little bit here so that they can be able to gain more momentum and push it to make a new high probably. So right now we look at the downside right here. So let's see, overnight the market be able to hold up at this support level here before they be able to turn around, or they can go up and they push it back down. They go sideways before they can build up the momentum to break out the sales on here. So that's what we have for you on the market. And the gold market, it also dropped like rocks in on the weekend. I told you, if you watch that video, the gold rush is done. So people it just sell out to catch a profit. And let's see if they're able to stop right here and before they can revert. And the bond is also dropping down very fast. Since they drop below the support line here, they come back retest, they fail, so they drop very hard to the blue box, which is my support level here. So let's see if they're able to bounce back up or they will continue to go lower. And the Bitcoin is still losing momentum. They couldn't get higher, so they in the correction right now too. So they have a support, they bounce back up, and let's see where they go next. So at the today, so I focused a lot of swing trades, so I'm able to close some of the good profit for the swing trade. So beside teaching on the day trade method, so that we can make some extra daily income, we also focus on the swing trade, which if we stay in the trade longer and make more profit. So the total net profit for today is $13,118.77. So if you look at the couple of stocks that we mentioned on the weekend, to the target, it punched to make a new high, but they pull back a little bit because the market it pulled back down. So you have to be a little bit careful there. But a lot of stock, the banking stock is still doing extremely well. So the FBK is doing very well, and IBTX it also make a new high, and then FIX, so they also make a new high. So overall, the at home product and banking they still try to catch up. Okay, and then in home product are still doing very well. So this is what I have for you today. So if the market let's see what the market doing, and then I will update for you day by day so that you can see where they're heading to. All right. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.